Bazi nje ingane zabantu ukuphila impilo yazo. Abantu abasakwazi ukuphosta nje into eziqondene nazo. Yeah, banake nazi izingane zabantu. Ngiyazikhulumela phela le ngane ngoba zizele izingane zami. Ngoba this Tirelo this. Abhizi babhulishana nezingane zemizi yabantu abangazazi, abangahlangene nazo. Abantu nje caca ukuthi abana life nje bahlalela ukunaka izingane ezincane. Lezi izingane ezincane bafowethu, yini eyenza abantu babe njeni? Emhlabeni nje abantu ave sebemuncu nje bakithi. Bamuncu nje abantu awazi ukuthi yini ngempela. Hayi umnini awungeke siyenze lonto hayibo ufuna buyageza izitsha phela. Basedlile ufuna geza izitsha, ufuna geza izitsha kushintshwana. Phela senza njalo la ekhaya. Ama-chores nje akhona. Bayashintshana khona obanze khona umnini. Mase ufuna abafundi uzenzele. Ingane guys mina kanti anifundisi yini. Ufuna sigeza izitsha.
I think it's a good thing that Umayeni decided to add her 2 cents opinion kule matter yakaVuyokazi's friends versus Tirelo. Remember, grandmother yengane zakaVuyokazi and Tirelo, she's a mother-in-law to Amahle, because people have been saying that Umayeni loves Tirelo. Guys, we've seen Umayeni and Tirelo spending time together compared to Amahle. We've never seen Amahle and Umayeni, guys. People have said that Tirelo, she's Umayene's favorite daughter-in-law. Although Usbini has not yet paid the bride price, Tirelo, she only engaged with Tirelo, guys. But when it comes to Amahle, she's the official wife, Yasimzumbe, guys. So people have been saying a lot when it comes to these two, Umayeni and Tirelo. Now she's saying, oh, no, guys, you need to stop what you're doing. Tirelo and Vuyokazi, they are busy doing their own stuff. You need to also do your own stuff. Leave them alone, guys. I mean, she understands as a mother, obviously. Ingane zakaVuyokazi, ingane zakaTirelo, she has to protect them, even though she's staying ngane yakaTirelo, guys. We know that Tirelo, she's currently in school. She's back. She's studying. So uVuyokazi and uhlala nengane zakhe, and people, I remember, I think it was Uthando Nesithembu season 7, people were calling out uVuyokazi to come and fetch Mhlophe, guys, because Umayeni, she's going through a lot, guys. You know, when it comes to this thing of grandchild staying in Mzumbe or staying at the father's side, you know, it has a lot of conflict, guys. So someone will say, oh, when you choose this one because you don't want to stay with my kids. So I like the fact that uVuyokazi, she enjoy staying with her kids, and Tirelo, obviously she's no one to take care of her son, so she has to take her son in Mzumbe. So guys, it is what it is. You can see Uti Umayeni, she loves her grandchildren, even though they are not here. They are currently in Western Cape, in Cape Town. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. From Mayeni to you guys, saying to stop what you're doing. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.